Alapan Bandyopadhyay has been served another show cause notice. This under Disaster Management Act has been asked to respond within 3 days. The face-off over top Babu continues. Alapan Bandyopadhyay is at the center of this controversy and the latest flashpoint and face-off between Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and Prime Minister Modi. Last evening as well, he was served a notice under the Disaster Management Act and he was asked to explain his absence from the Prime Minister's meeting. Let's go across to Nikunj, our Senior Editor Internal Security, joining us in the broadcast with more details. Fresh show cause notice to Alapan Bandyopadhyay under the Disaster Management Act. He's been asked to respond within 3 days.
Well, yes, at least under the Disaster Management Act, first communication to Shri Alapan Bandyopadhyay from the Ministry of Home Affairs, which is the custodian of the Disaster Management Act. And because the Prime Minister of India is also the chairperson of the National Disaster Management Authority, so the powers of the Disaster Management Act, which are vested in NDMA, are exercised by the Prime Minister himself. So therefore, the fact remains that because the meeting was, according to the government sources, that is Government of India, meeting was called under the Disaster Management Act for the purpose of reviewing a disaster that was the cyclone Yas, for which Prime Minister had specifically gone. And because the Disaster Management Act is in place in the country, any kind of impediment under the Section 51 of the Disaster Management Act, particularly apropos the chairperson or the authorities who are supposed to be the executive chair of the act, executed by the Ministry of Home Affairs, become an offence, and that is Section 51 of the NDMA Act, DM Act, that deals with it. Criminal provisions are also entailed in the Act, and at some point in time or other, if the authority so chose, can actually criminal FIRs can also be lodged. So, Mr. Alapan Bandyopadhyay, former Chief Secretary West Bengal, I beg your pardon, has been given its notice of 72 hours under this show cause, so as to explain his conduct, which the government believes was impeding an activity under the Disaster Management Act of the National Disaster Management Authority, and therefore why the action should not be taken against him must be explained by former Chief Secretary West Bengal.
All right, Nikunj, thank you for getting us those details. We also have a reaction coming in from Saugata Roy on this. Let's listen in. We also have Shreyasi joining us on the broadcast.
Alapan Bandyopadhyay बहुत एक्सपीरियंस्ड ऑफिसर है, वो जो जवाब देना है वो देंगे. राज्य सरकार को जो कहना था कह लिए. अभी तो रिटायर्ड ऑफिसर है, उस पर केंद्रीय सरकार का शोकॉस का क्या इम्पैक्ट है. वो रिटायर्ड ऑफिसर है, किसी के अंडर में नहीं है. स्टेट उसको अपॉइंट किया है. ये सब एडहॉक अपॉइंटमेंट होता है, केंद्र के शासन का बाहर वो चलेंगे. ये इंतकाम लेने के लिए केंद्रीय सरकार किया, लेकिन उससे कुछ होगा नहीं.
Let's go across to Shreyasi now. Shreyasi, a very interesting reaction coming in from Saugata Roy. He says कि ये तो अभी रिटायर्ड ऑफिसर हैं, सेंटर के शोकॉज का इन पर क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा, और वो तो अब चीफ एडवाइजर अपॉइंट हो चुके हैं टू ममता बनर्जी.
Swati, what we pick up from our sources is that action has been initiated against the former Chief Secretary Alapan Bandyopadhyay. What we also understand that the notice, the show cause notice, was served before the retirement was announced on live television by the Chief Minister of West Bengal, and thus the retirement might not be accepted by the centre. Now, very interestingly, the centre cannot unilaterally initiate any disciplinary proceedings against an IAS officer posted with a state government under the IAS rules, which is why the centre has now invoked the NDMA, has pointed out at the NDMA and invoked the Disaster Management Act 51 in this entire show cause notice, asking him to respond within 3 days. So is the fight over? No, it isn't. It's going to continue. Of course, the centre is going to wait for Alapan Bandyopadhyay's reply. He will be also posting his reply, while the state might think that he has retired as the Chief Secretary and he's no longer answerable to the centre because he's already shown retirement yesterday. But that is not the case, because both the notices, the second notice asking him to come and join work today at 10 a.m. was served yesterday, as well as the show cause notice has also been served yesterday before the announcement of his retirement. So the retirement is not being counted by the centre.
All right, Shresi, thank you for getting us those details. We'll keep coming back to you for updates. For now, we are taking a very short break. News and updates will continue. Stay on with us.